Hi everyone, my name is Bianca. Welcome back. This is another video I'm doing. Today is a special day. Today is the autumn equinox in Australia and in spring for those on the other side of the world. The equinox is when the sun passes the equator, so it's like a equal time of day and night. Where the solstice, we get summer solstice, where we get it's the longest day of the year, and winter solstice, it's the shortest day of the year. With the autumn and spring equinox, it's equal amount of time around the world. So today I thought it was such a beautiful day to do a water ceremony song that I learnt a few weeks ago from a friend who's traveled from North America. And it's a Native American Indian song. I forget which tribe, well, many tribes sing it actually. They all have a little bit of a variation between each, but it is a song that is well known. It's called Sacred Waters, and the lyrics, rough translation, are sacred waters, it's within me or it's in me. My blood is sacred waters. And it has magical healing powers because our bodies are like 62% water, and as children it's as high as like in the 70s percent water, and we are born in water. Our womb, it's traditionally only sung by women, and you must wear a skirt. The skirt, I'm told, holds power. It draws up the chi from the earth, from Mother Earth, which is the womb, the creation, the creator, the creation. And so I've done the ceremony this morning, and I recorded just the singing part of it. I didn't record the blessings and the gratitude and the offerings that I did to the 7 directions, being Father Sky, Mother Earth, Heart Space, and North, East, South, West. Not in that order, by the way. However, I did that off camera, and just did the singing part, which you sing to the 4 directions. So I hope you enjoy this. The water that is drunk and the healing that you give to yourself when you sing this and when you listen to this even, is so powerful. If anybody's heard of Dr. Emoto, who does the water experiment crystals, where water is malleable according to intention, according to words, according to energy sent out. I'm told that one of the people in North America who sings this song often did an experiment before and after singing this song, and it seemed like Dr. Emoto's experiments held a beautiful crystalline energy. I've also been told by the woman that taught me that she experienced personally herself healing properties from putting the water, after singing this song, putting the water on parts of her body that needed healing. So yeah, very powerful, just as our thoughts and our emotions and our life is so powerful. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm not the best singer, so forgive my singing, but it's nonetheless, whether you sing like me, sing better than me, or don't think that you have a singing voice at all are welcome, because Mother Earth definitely has no judgments towards that. All she feels is the vibration of energy from your heart that you're giving out. So enjoy this song. Thank you. I start with a welcome to country and pay my respects to the ancestors and elders of this land, past, present and future. We thank them for taking guardianship throughout the generations the earth, our waters. I'm thankful and have gratitude that they join with us now in this ceremony to give these sacred waters and pass on this knowledge of Native American Indian heritage to others, in the knowing that we are all one. Aho. I sing to the east, the land of the rising sun, the birth of new beginnings, of our babies, of our ideas and inspirations, our passions and purposes, color of red. Nibi Wabo MisQuee, Nibi Wabo, HeyYa, 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 ho. I face the south. Where summer lives, with yellow color of the solar plexus, where fruits are ripened, where our youth play in enjoyments and creates a love of life. Nibi Wabo MisQuee, Nibi Wabo, HeyYa, 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 ho. As I face the west, the land of our adulthood, the element of water, for which this very song is about, our sacred waters within ourselves, within the planets, within Mother Gaia. May we sing on this day to cleanse the waters within our own bodies, to wash away the lower vibrations of emotions that hold us back from being who we truly are, which keep spirit away from our hearts. Nibi Wabo MisQuee, Nibi Wabo, HeyYa, 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 ho. We face the north, the land of our elders, where the cycle of life comes to an end. There is death, life, and rebirth. And as we pass through the stage of winter, we know that spring comes. Nibi Wabo MisQuee, Nibi Wabo, HeyYa, HeyYa, HeyYa. sharing the sacred waters and passing this song through generation to generation. We are the guardians of the waters from which life is born in our womb. Sing this song and honor our ancestors, honor ourselves, so that we can create the future that we want, our hope. The light I see in you is the light I see in me. We are one. Namaste.